Your productivity boosted. You have here for private individuals or for business, and you can pay annual or monthly payment. And these are the prices for different plans. For personal, Microsoft 365 personal, and the price is here. And it includes the following for one user and log in up to 5 devices at once. It can be used on PCs, Macs, phones, and tablets. 1 terabyte of secure cloud storage, productivity apps with Microsoft Copilot, Advanced Copilot, and so on. And for the Microsoft 365 family, you have here everything in Microsoft 365 Personal plus for 1 to 6 users, only for the subscription owner. For the Microsoft 365 family package, everything in Microsoft 365 Personal plus for 1 to 6 users, AI only for the subscription owner. Each user can use up to 5 devices at once and up to 6 terabytes of secure cloud storage, 1 terabyte per person. For Microsoft 365 Premium, everything in Microsoft 365 Family Plus Copilot Advanced Chat with extensive use, access to Copilot features that are currently exclusive to Premium and widely used to create AI image. And these are some of the benefits of Microsoft 365. Powerful AI powered productivity apps make the most of your day with Outlook and simplify your online security with Microsoft Defender. And of course, all your ideas in one place with OneNote and the OneDrive trusted storage for priceless memories. And of course, Microsoft Teams video calls throughout the day. Join group calls and talk for up to 30 hours with up to 300 people using Microsoft Teams. And these are the comparison of Microsoft 365 with Office.